perfect ending to any day, race, or project is to finish strong, said Gary Ryan Blair. Salutations to one and all gathered on this prestigious occasion, where we honor the rank holders and class toppers from classes 6 to 8. Before we begin this prestigious occasion, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty. We now have our school choir singing to us the prayer song.
Bigger than all my problems, bigger than all my fears. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all my questions, bigger than anything. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all the shadows that fall across my path. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all confusion, bigger than anything. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all my problems, bigger than all my fears. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all my questions, bigger than anything. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all the giants of pain and unbelief. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than any hang-ups, bigger than anything. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all my problems, bigger than all my fears. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all my questions, bigger than anything. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all my problems, bigger than all my fears. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. Bigger than all my questions, bigger than anything. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see. God is bigger than any mountain that I can or cannot see.
Thank you, school choir. Up next, we have Lakshya from Standard 7A to deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning to one and all present here. As the great Bharat once said, small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. It gives me extreme pleasure in delivering the welcome address on the occasion of our online Jubilee Day celebration. Before I begin, I would like to thank the management of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kalpakkam for giving me this wonderful opportunity to deliver the welcome address. Let me begin by, first and foremost, by welcoming the blessings of our extremely gentle and highly dynamic chairman, sir, who is a constant source of encouragement, always encouraging us to give it our best in order to achieve greater heights. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our dear director, sir, and director academics, ma'am, without whose constant support and encouragement we would not be here today, especially our dear director, ma'am, who always pushes us to achieve our best in our academics. We welcome you, sir and ma'am. I would also like to welcome our dear zonal head, ma'am, Ma'am is the backbone of our school, without whose constant guidance and support we would not have come this far during this trying and testing time of lockdown. Welcome, ma'am. I would also like to welcome other members, staffs, and my fellow students to this glorious day of celebration. Last and most certainly, not the least, I would like to welcome our dear parents, without whose support and love we would most definitely not be here. Your presence at this auspicious day is indeed a blessing to us as a community. Thank you for your continued support in every aspect of life at Velamalpodi campus, Kalpakkam. Even during this lockdown situation, due to the devastating COVID-19 pandemic, we Velamalians have found ways to succeed. Please sit back and watch as we celebrate the success of our dear students. Wishing you all a very pleasant day. I once again welcome you all to this program. Thank you.
Now is the time that we've all been waiting for. It's time to honor the rank holders and class toppers of classes 6 to 8 for the annual exam of the academic year 2020 to 2020.
Now we have the rank holders and class toppers of Standard 6. Shivani J of 6E secured first rank with 487 and also centum in Tamil. Roshna Kirti of 6A secured second rank with 481. Kritika of 6A secured third rank with 479 and also centum in Tamil. Moving on to class toppers, we have Sachin of 6A secured 478. Santoshita of 6A secured 478 and also centum in Tamil. Kavilash Vinayak of 6E secured 473. Arjun of 6E secured 472.5. Janani of 6A secured 470.5. Varsha of 6B secured 470.5. Vishant of 6A secured 466 and also centum in Tamil. Sangamitra of 6E secured 466 and also centum in Tamil. Tanusha of 6A secured 465.5. Srinidhi Vijay of 6E secured 463.5. Sanjay Raj of 6D secured 463. Shamita of 6E secured 461. Sivanandan of 6D secured 460.5. Jayashree S of 6D secured 457.5. Gayatri Pradeep of 6B secured 457. Saranya of 6A secured 455.5. Naveen of 6B secured 455.5. Niranjana of 6D secured 455. Ritvita of 6C secured 452.5. Chenna Reddy Bhavesh of 6B secured 451.5. Lakshya Sri of 6B secured 451.5. Krishna Kumar of 6A secured 451. Tanushka of 6E secured 450.5. Next we have the rank holders and class toppers of Standard 7. Archana of 7D secured first rank with 489 and also centum in Tamil and Science. Nivita Sri of class 7C secured second rank with 486 and also centum in Tamil and Science. Nikita Sri of 7C secured third rank with 485 and also centum in Tamil. Moving on to class toppers, we have Sai Dharani of class 7A secured 483. Pranav Karthikeyan of 7A secured 481.5 and also centum in Maths. Tarun Roshan of 7A secured 481. Nitin Anand of 7A secured 480 and also centum in Tamil. Bhavesh of 7C secured 478.5. Ayush of 7B secured 472. Neeraja of 7E secured 469.5. Alban of 7B secured 466.5. Santosh Kumar of 7A secured 464. Sean Franco of 7D secured 464. Aradhana Devi of 7B secured 463.5. Lakshaya of 7A secured 463.5. Darshika of 7C secured 463. Vinosai of 7B secured 462. Rohit of 7B secured 461.5. Vijayan of 7C secured 461.5. Anaga of 7B secured 460.5. Ajish of 7A secured 460. Yuvati of 7D secured 459.5. Harjit of 7E secured 459. Niharika of 7A secured 459. Inan of 7A secured 458. Sujit Menon of 7A secured 458. Samriddhi of 7B secured 457.5. Sanjay of 7B secured 457.5. Srijan of 7A secured 457. Tarun Ganapati of 7C secured 456. Mahati Ratna of 7B secured 455. Deepesh Sabari of 7C secured 453.5. Samuel Sivakumar of 7A secured 453. Sreshti Siddhant of 7B secured 451.5. Kavin of 7A secured 450.
Finally, we have the rank holders and class toppers of Standard 8. Kritinai of 8A secured first rank with a score of 488 and also centum in Tamil. Tarune of 8A secured second rank with a score of 475.5. Harshita of 8D secured third rank with a score of 472 and also centum in Tamil. Yakshita of 8C also secured the third rank with a score of 472. Moving on to the class toppers, we have Kavya S of 8B secured 469. Mitusha of 8A secured 467. Adityan C of 8D secured 466.5. Akhilan RC of 8A secured 465 and also centum in Tamil. Ragashri of 8D secured 465 and also centum in Tamil. Madhumita of 8C secured 463. Shrija of 8B secured 463. Monica S of 8A secured 459 and also centum in Tamil. Sri Balasubramanian of 8C secured 458.5. Lakshita of 8D secured 458 and also centum in Tamil. Roshni Devi of 8B secured 458. Mrindalini of 8D secured 457.5. Ashwin of 8D secured 455. Alexander Shiju of 8A secured 452.5. Lega Vashni of 8D secured 452.5. Sai Harish of 8B secured 452.5. Hema Priya of 8B secured 452. Kirusha of 8C secured 452. And Vandana SK of 8A secured 451.5.
Congratulations to all the rank holders and class toppers of the annual exam for the academic year 2020 to 2021. For every beginning, there is an end. And so we have come to the end of this prestigious occasion. I now call upon Lakshya from Standard 6B to deliver the vote of thanks.
A delightful morning to everyone watching the great event. On behalf of all, we deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us this evening and making us feel proud and more than above your love for us. Lakshya Sri, the student of Vilamabodhi campus, considered this occasion as an honor and privilege to extend a vote of thanks. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. So first of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Chairman for his support and blessings. Thank you, sir. I also thank our director, sir, and director academics, ma'am, for their constant guidance. Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear ma'am. Next, I would like to thank our dear zonal head, ma'am, for her constant support in achieving our work on time. Thank you, ma'am. Teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. Teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. With deep reverence and gratitude, we would like to thank our dear teachers for making us what we are today. We place on record the contribution and the effort made by them. Thank you, dear teachers. Your impact on us is everlasting. You are indebted to the members of the non-teaching faculty. Undoubtedly, your contributions in various aspects of life. Today's event made a difference. Thank you for your unflinching support. I thank all the parents for their presence. You will always help in carrying out such important events. The essence of the fruit is always tasted at the last, and we believe last will be the best ever. Finally, we thank the blooming buds of Velamal Bodhi campus. You are the central focus of not only today's program, but every moment of your stay in this temple of learning. Learn to let go, and your hands will be free to conquer your tomorrows. Gratitude costs nothing, but it is big investment in future. Once again, we renew our gratitude and spread the fragrance of love. May God continue to bless all of us. Thank you.
Thank you all for sharing this momentous occasion with us. For now, this is farewell from Velamal Bodhi campus, Kolapakam. Hope to see you all next time. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you once again.